All right, I'm making this video specifically for the drive shaft on the passenger side, the left side or near side, okay, which is the shortest one, this drive shaft. To remove the seal, the drive shaft seal, you have to remove this plate. All right, you remove this. As you can see, it's rusty here. You clean it and then you put a new seal. Okay, the reason I'm doing this is because I've been digging and digging to try to figure out how to remove it. I thought you don't need to remove them four bolts, and I was really worried that if I remove them I might damage something in the gearbox. There's nothing to damage in the gearbox, it's just fine. You remove them, use the crowbar like this in reverse. It's kind of slid in there like so, in there like so. Okay, as you can see, when the bracket was in, and then I press it, I push it that way and hit it with a hammer while I'm holding it that way. As you're doing that, because this thing has, I think, sealant around here, and as you can see, it has to slide in, and because of that, it's a little bit tricky to come out. So you do it, you hit it with the hammer, pushing very hard the crowbar, and hit. Then this thing will fall off. Clean it, remove the rust, and put a new drive shaft seal. I'm going to get them. They're very cheap, like £15. Put it in, and then no more leaks. As you can see, that mess there, it was this thing leaking. This, all right. I think these are the original. This damage was me thinking that I can pull it out, but you can't. It sits inside, unlike the other one on the other side, where it sits kind of on this side, on top. This side, it sits inside. Okay, so this short video was just made specifically for this, because even at the garage, when I asked them, do I have to remove this, they didn't know. They just said to me, all we know is that the seal, this is the seal. I said, but how does it get in there? Oh, we don't know. You have to go to talk to a mechanic. You go to some mechanics, they say, oh, is the gearbox out? We have to remove the gearbox just to remove this plate and to change the seal, which is crazy. Okay, guys, so that's how it is. You remove this to get this, to put this, and then you get a new one. You just get it in there gently, put grease around it, and gently put it in there, in the thing after cleaning. All right, bye bye.